Build apps without coding. Is it really possible? Or is it just a trend everyone is talking about? That's exactly what we are going to find out in this video. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tech Journey with Reddy. If you want to build a career in tech without heavy coding, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show how you tools like Microsoft Power Platform can help you to create real applications, just like the one you saw in the thumbnail. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand whether building apps without coding is real or not. We'll break it You will break it everything in simple way with real examples and easy explanations so even beginners can understand easily. I also uploaded my first video YouTube yesterday. You can track it from the I button on the screen or in the description below. Make sure to watch first for better understanding. Now let's quickly see what we are going to cover in this video. In this video we'll cover what is Microsoft Power Platform, what is Microsoft Power Apps, and what is Power Automate, and what is Power BI, and what is Copilot Studio, and we'll also explain the two real-time examples. Microsoft Power Platform. Microsoft Power Platform is a suite of Microsoft products that includes Power BI, Power Apps, and Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents. It enables users to analyze data, build solutions, automate process, and create virtual agents. It is one of the main component of Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Copilot Studio. Power Platform is widely used because it saves time, reduces manual effort, and increases productivity. It allows organizations to quickly build custom solutions based on their needs without depending heavily on traditional coding. Its strong integration with Microsoft services like Excel, SharePoint, and the Teams make it is a powerful and flexible platform for modern business applications. It is designed for both technical and non-technical users, making it easy to create solutions using simple drag and drop features. And it is developed by Microsoft and initially released in 2016. And one of the core models like sales and finance, supply chain, marketing, customer service, field service, and customer insights. And Microsoft releases updates in every twice a year, like release wave 1 and wave 2. And, uh, and these capabilities are app development, workflow automation, and data analytics, and AI chatbots. And we'll go to next slide. What is Power Apps? Power Apps is a low-code tool from Microsoft that allows users to build custom business applications without needing advanced programming skills. It uses a drag-and-drop interface, making it easy for beginners, business users, and developers to create apps quickly. Power Apps helps organizations delegate their process by creating apps for tasks like data entry, approvals, and tracking. It can connect into multiple data resources such as Excel, SharePoint, SQL, and Dataverse, and works on web, mobile, and tablets with built-in AI features and strong integration with Microsoft tools like Power Apps. Makes app development faster, simpler, and more accessible. Power Apps is a tool to build apps without coding. In simple terms, Power Apps helps business build applications faster, reduce manual effort, and improves productivity without relying heavily on traditional coding. An importance of Power Apps is to build apps without coding. Anyone can create business apps using simple drag and drop tools, and it is a faster development and create apps based on the specific needs. And it works on mobile and web, and it is useful for beginners. And also, no advanced technical skills is required. So this is the main platform. If you found this video is helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe and support the channel. And let's get into the topic. What is Power Automate? Power Automate is a low-code tool developed by Microsoft that helps user automate repetitive tasks and business processes without advanced coding. It allows users to create workflows called flows that performs actions automatically based on triggers. It connects with many servers such as Excel, SharePoint, Outlook, Teams, and other third-party applications using connectors. This makes it easier to integrate different systems and automate process across multiple platforms. In simple terms, Power Automate improves efficiency by handling repetitive tasks, reducing errors, increasing productivity. It is widely used both business users and developers to streamline workflows and makes process faster and smarter. In simple terms, Power Automate Works simple logics like if this happens, then do it. For example, when a form is submitted, an email can be sent automatically, or when a file is added, a notification can be triggered. This reduces manual works and saves time. And importance of Power Automate. It saves time and automate repetitive tasks like sending an emails, sending approval requests and notifications, reduces manual works and improves efficiency, productivity, and minimizes human errors in repetitive activities. Works with many apps and helps different systems works together and, and smoothly. And what is Power BI? Power BI is a business applications analytics tools developed by Microsoft helps users turn raw data into meaningful sites, helping together and interactive dashboards and reports. It allows users to visualize data in the form of charts, graphs, and KPIs, making it easier to understand business performance. Power BI can connect to multiple data sources such as Excel, SQL, Server, and SharePoint cloud services and APIs. It gathers and transforms data into structured format so users can analyze and make better decisions. Its a drag and drop interface makes it easier for beginners to create reports without advanced technical skills. In simple terms, Power BI helps business understand their data, identify trends, and make smarter decisions by presenting information in a clear and visual way. And also, importance of Power BI, it makes a better decision and converts raw data into clear visuals, helping managers help small decisions and also shows live data updates so businesses can track performance instantly. Reports can be shared with the teams for better coordination. What is Copilot Studio? Microsoft Copilot Studio is a low-code, no-code tool developed by Microsoft that allows users to create intelligent chatbots without advanced coding. It helps business to build AI-powered conversational bots that can answer questions, guide users, and automate interactions. Copilot Studio uses simple interfaces to design conversations and workflows, making it easy for beginners and non-technical users. It also uses AI to understand user queries and provide accurate responses, improving customer experience and support. In simple terms, Copilot Studio helps organizations create smart chatbots that can communicate with users, reduce manual effort, and provide quick and efficient support. The importance of Copilot Studio is, and by using the chatbots, you can support 24 by 7, and chatbot can answer user questions anytime without human involvement. It saves time and cost, reduces manual work and need for large support teams, and can handle repetitive queries and basic process automatically, and we can integrate with Microsoft products and also provide quick and instant responses to users. Example, like I take a new management system. For example, in many companies, employees apply leaves using email or paper forms, which makes the process slow and unorganized, right? Managers may miss emails, approvals get delayed, and there is no proper tracking for system. For you as a viewer, think about how confusing it is when there is no clear status of the request. This is a common world problem, right? So to solve this, we can use the Power Apps to create a simple management system app. And I explained to you, imagine opening an app on your phone, entering the new details like name, dates, reason, and click submit. It's a simple, fast, and replaces manual work completely. Once the request is submitted, the data is stored securely, and managers can view all the requests in one dashboard and approve or reject them instantly. We can also integrate Power Automate to automatically send emails notifications. So both employees and managers stay updated without any manual effort. Now, to make this even more powerful, we can also use Microsoft Copilot Studio to create a chatbot where employees can ask questions like what is my leave status and get instant replies. We can also use Power BI to create dashboards for HR, showing reports like number of leaves taken, approvals, and trends. As as you can see, this is not just an app; it's a completely smart solution built without coding. And also, I will explain another real-time example that is hospital management. In many hospitals, patient records and appointments are still handled using power files or scattered systems. This creates problems like waiting times, lost records, and Also, confusion between the departments. For example, a doctor may not quickly and a patient's history, or a receptionist may struggle to track appointments properly. This affects both hospital efficiency and patient care. To solve this, the hospital management app can be built using the Power Apps. In this app, hospital staff can easily register a new patient, enter details like name, age, symptoms, and assign doctors. Appointments can be scheduled directly in the app, and everything is sorted digitally. The app is simple to use and work on mobile or desktop, so staff can access it anytime. All the information entered is stored securely in the centralized system like SharePoint or Microsoft Dataverse, and doctors can open the app and instantly view patient history, prescriptions, and previous visits. Nurses can update treatment details, and receptions can staff manage daily appointments. This improves communication between teams and ensures that patient data is always available when needed. The system can be made more powerful by integrating Power Automate to send automatic appointment reminders or alerts to doctors. Additionally, Power BI can be used to create reports showing patient trends, number of visits, and hospital performance. Overall, the solution reduces manual work, improves accuracy, saves time, and help hospitals provide better and faster care to patients. These are the two real-time examples I explained for your understanding purpose. Now, you have seen how Microsoft Power Platform can completely transform the way you build apps, automate tasks, analyze the data, and even create smart AI chatbots without heavy coding. From the basics to powerful tools like Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and Copilot Studio, you can clearly see how game changing and future ready this platform is in the real world scenarios. We also explore real time examples like glue management and hospital systems where traditional manual work is replaced with fast and smart and automated digital solutions. This proves how business can save time, reduce errors, and boost productivity using simple and low-code tools. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Tech Journey with Reddy, for more easy, practical, and career-focused content. Also, make sure to check my first video from the I button or description to build a strong foundation. Start learning today because the future is not just coding. It's about building powerful solutions, smarter, and faster. Let me know in the comments what topic you want next, and let's grow together. Thank you very much.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.